What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be unboxing a pocket knife that I recently ordered. Let's get into the unboxing. Hold up. I gotta try to set this down, man. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. We don't need that paper. We don't need that box. All we need is this. Smith & Wesson for professional quality tools. Let's open this up. Okay. One moment here. Just gotta... Oh, the lead broke, of course. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Aha! Okay, let's open it up. Nice packaging. Oh, look at that. It's black too. I don't want to cut myself. Oh, look at that. Smith & Wesson Ops, Extreme Ops cutting knife. And now all we have to do is do this. Push this down, I think. Somehow. I'm not professional, so don't flame me in the comments, chat. Come on now. We're not that mean, are we? It didn't come with instructions. Well, there we have it. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops folding knife for everyday carry. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.